It was recently demonstrated in a clinical study that specific nutrients have the ability to boost circulating bone marrow stem cells by as much as 68% in only 2 weeks. What if comparable results could be obtained with ordinary snacks? Today, we will delve into the top 5 foods that Dr. William Lee recommends for stem cell regeneration and a longer life. Spanning from mushrooms to dark chocolate, these common pantry items could very well be the key to a lengthier, more healthful existence. Focusing on dark chocolate, you may be surprised to find out that this indulgent treat is more than just a guilty pleasure. In fact, studies have indicated that dark chocolate can effectively double the quantity of circulating stem cells within your bloodstream. That is correct. The dessert you love most could be a potent partner in your efforts towards cellular regeneration and longevity. So, what is the mechanism behind this? The key is found in the diverse collection of compounds within cacao, most notably polyphenols such as flavonols and procyanidins. These antioxidants serve a vital function in shielding your cells from damage inflicted by free radicals, which are recognized as contributors to aging and a range of diseases. In certain studies, subjects were given hot chocolate made from chocolate high in flavonols. They consumed it twice daily, 2 cups per day, for a period of 30 days. After measuring the stem cell levels of the 16 participants at the beginning, it was found that their levels could be increased. A primary contributor to this stem cell enhancement is epicatechin, a flavonoid that is plentiful in cacao. Research suggests epicatechin promotes the mobilization of stem cells from bone marrow into the bloodstream, where they can subsequently journey to parts of the body in need of repair and regeneration. However, in terms of these health advantages, not all chocolates are the same. To get the most stem cell boosting effects, you should opt for dark chocolate with a high cacao percentage, preferably in the 70% to 80% range. Doing so ensures you receive a significant amount of these helpful compounds without an excess of added sugar. Now, it is important to remember that moderation is crucial before you go and buy a large quantity of chocolate bars. While dark chocolate provides remarkable health advantages, it remains high in calories. A good target is about 1 to 2 ounces a couple of times per week, which will allow you to enjoy the benefits without overdoing it. If you're in search of inventive methods for including dark chocolate in your snacking habits, consider these straightforward and tasty suggestions. Dark chocolate covered almonds. Simply coat whole almonds in melted dark chocolate and allow them to harden on a baking sheet. These snacks will satisfy your desire for sweets while also delivering a protein increase. Dark chocolate avocado, mousse. For a rich, creamy snack full of healthy fats and antioxidants, blend ripe avocado with dark chocolate and a small amount of honey. Dark chocolate banana bites. Slice bananas, dip the pieces in melted dark chocolate, and then freeze them until they are firm. These frozen snacks are ideal for warm weather and contain an excellent combination of nutrients. Dark chocolate dipped orange slices. For a tangy variation, dip segments of an orange into melted dark chocolate and finish with a light sprinkle of sea salt. This blend of tastes is both invigorating and luxurious. We have just discussed how dark chocolate can serve as a tasty partner for increasing stem cell production. But what if there was another unexpected food category capable of amplifying your cellular regeneration? Let's now shift our focus to an intriguing biological kingdom that is neither plant nor animal: mushrooms. Mushrooms possess a truly distinct place in nature. They are not classified as plants, do not perform photosynthesis, and share more genetic similarities with humans than with vegetables. This unique position in the natural order hints at their exceptional potential for human well being. Dr. Lee explains from a market, pointing out a variety of mushrooms, that he wants to select a few and discuss them. First, he notes that mushrooms contain beta D glucan. Beta D glucan is a form of soluble fiber that benefits the microbiome and enhances gut health. Consequently, this strengthens your immunity and aids in reducing inflammation. Another benefit is its ability to help create short chain fatty acids, which are advantageous for your lipids, helping to reduce bad cholesterol while elevating good cholesterol. The beta D glucan in mushrooms also contributes to boosting metabolism. Dr. Lee mentions that he covers this in his new book, Eat to Beat Your Diet, which he hopes people will read, as it details the clinical studies related to mushrooms. Recent scientific inquiry has revealed the impressive capacity of certain mushroom compounds to encourage stem cell production and improve immune function. These fungal allies hold a wealth of bioactive components, such as polysaccharides and beta glucans, which have been demonstrated to foster the multiplication of stem cells and enhance their ability to regenerate. But what is the precise method by which mushrooms exert this effect on our stem cells? The answer seems to be that the substantial antioxidant content in mushrooms fosters an environment that is very conducive to stem cell activity. By fighting oxidative stress, a primary factor in stem cell impairment, mushrooms assist in preserving the health and strength of these essential cells. They also contain numerous bioactives that can energize your immune system. One study of particular interest showed that bioactive compounds in mushrooms could augment the activity of hematopoietic stem cells. These are the crucial cells that form new blood cells and underpin our immune response. By fortifying these stem cells, mushrooms could help strengthen the body's inherent defense mechanisms. The positive news is that you don't have to venture into the woods to gain these advantages. Widely available varieties such as button mushrooms, shiitake, and maitake all possess stem cell enhancing qualities. Even more specialized types like reishi have been studied for their potential within regenerative medicine, particularly for their capacity to boost stem cell activity and aid in tissue repair. Now you may be thinking about how to get more mushrooms into your daily food intake without resorting to uninspired salads or rich stews. Here are a few inventive and appetizing ways to consume these stem cell powerhouses. Mushroom chips. Thinly sliced mushrooms, coat them with a small amount of olive oil, season with salt and pepper, and then bake until they are crispy. This creates a savory, nutrient rich substitute for potato chips and serves as an ideal on the go snack that is both fulfilling and beneficial for your stem cells. Stuffed mushroom caps. For a snack with more substance, hollow out large mushrooms and stuff them with a blend of finely diced vegetables, herbs, and a light dusting of cheese. Bake until they are golden for a delectable bite sized food loaded with stem cell boosting elements. Mushroom jerky. If you are open to trying something new, you can make mushroom jerky. Marinate sliced mushrooms in a mixture of soy sauce, maple syrup, and your preferred spices, then dehydrate them until they have a chewy texture. This plant based substitute for conventional jerky is not only delicious but also delivers a concentrated supply of advantageous mushroom compounds. Mushroom pate crostini. For a more refined snack, saute mushrooms with onions and garlic, then process them into a smooth pate. Serve this flavorful, earthy spread on whole grain crostini for a sophisticated and wholesome bite suitable for entertaining or as a personal treat. At this juncture, you might have further inquiries about how to integrate these potent snacks into your everyday meals. To help, I have gathered additional advice for crafting tasty and wholesome stem cell enhancing recipes in a free guide, which you can access by clicking the link in my description box to download your 28-day Mediterranean meal plan. We've covered the unexpected stem cell fortifying abilities of both dark chocolate and mushrooms. It's time to shift our focus to a small berry that delivers a significant impact. Were you aware that cranberries possess one of the highest antioxidant concentrations among all fruits? In fact, on a per gram basis, they have more antioxidants than 95% of other fruits and vegetables. These brilliant red berries are not limited to being a holiday classic. They are a superfood available year-round with extraordinary potential for cellular renewal. Their power comes from a rich variety of antioxidants, especially flavonoids, which have a vital function in safeguarding stem cells from oxidative stress. Similar to trail mix ingredients like walnuts, almonds, pistachios, and dried cranberries, they offer substantial protein for energy during a hike and also supply fiber that supports your microbiome. Oxidative stress is a primary cause of stem cell impairment and aging, happening when there is a disparity between free radicals and antioxidants within the body. This is the area where cranberries excel. Their powerful antioxidant characteristics act as a protective barrier around stem cells, enabling them to work at their best and sustain their regenerative powers. However, the advantages of cranberries are not limited to just antioxidant defense. Recent scientific investigations have revealed a curious link between eating cranberries and the expression of genes associated with stem cell function. One study demonstrated that extracts from cranberries can affect particular genes connected to the health and activity of stem cells. This implies that adding cranberries to your diet could potentially augment your body's innate regenerative functions on a genetic basis. Dr. William emphasizes the significance of these discoveries, stating that these small berries deliver a substantial benefit when it comes to aiding our body's regenerative functions. His research indicates that the compounds present in cranberries might be a crucial factor in preserving stem cell vitality and fostering longevity. Now, you may be considering how to get more cranberries into your meals beyond the usual sauce or juice. The following are some inventive and appetizing methods to take advantage of the stem cell enhancing properties of cranberries. Cranberry nut clusters. For a snack that is both sweet and tart with a pleasing crunch, mix dried cranberries with an assortment of your preferred nuts and a light coating of dark chocolate, then refrigerate until firm. This blend not only tastes delicious, but also delivers a range of antioxidants from multiple sources. Cranberry apple slices. For an invigorating variation, place a homemade cranberry compote between thin slices of apple. Add a dusting of cinnamon for extra taste and antioxidant benefits. This snack is both delightful and provides a dual serving of fruit-derived nutrients. Cranberry quinoa bites. Combine cooked quinoa with dried cranberries, chopped nuts, and a small amount of honey. Form the mix into bite-sized balls and bake until they turn golden. These bites are rich in protein, ideal for snacking on the move, and offer a well-rounded combination of complex carbohydrates and antioxidants. Cranberry hummus dip. For an unconventional take on a classic, blend cranberries with chickpeas, tahini, and a bit of lemon juice. This creates a zesty, nutrient-packed dip that goes wonderfully with vegetable sticks or whole grain crackers. Before continuing, please take a second to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. If you are enjoying our videos, show your support by leaving your thoughts in the comments section. Having examined the strength of superfoods from the land, we will now explore the treasures of the sea. Picture a nutrient so essential for your cells that it can be considered liquid gold for your system. This is precisely the role of omega-3 fatty acids, indispensable components for cellular well-being and a long life. Seafood is a food type that is genuinely beneficial for your health. It reduces the risk of cardiovascular issues and is rich in healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are exceptional in their capacity to support stem cell operations. These polyunsaturated fats are fundamentally important for preserving the structure of cell membranes, which is essential for the health of stem cells. But their advantages extend further. Recent studies have brought to light a remarkable link between omega-3s and fats. A study from Stanford University found that omega-3 fatty acids possess an impressive ability to control the creation of fat cells. When these beneficial fats attach to a particular receptor known as FFAR4 on the exterior of fat stem cells, it initiates a series of reactions. This process encourages the stem cells to multiply, leading to the formation of more fat cells for storing energy. You may be wondering, more fat cells? How can that be beneficial? The important distinction lies not in the number of fat cells, but in their quality. As stated by one researcher, what you want is more small fat cells rather than fewer large fat cells. A large fat cell is not a healthy fat cell. This discovery changes our perspective on the health of fat tissue. By encouraging the development of many smaller fat cells, omega-3s help create a healthier metabolic state and enhance general well-being. So, where can these cellular champions be located? The ocean is full of seafood abundant in omega-3s. Oily fish such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel are outstanding sources. These fish get their omega-3s from eating algae, which makes them highly concentrated providers of these valuable fats. Adding these omega-3 rich foods to your meals doesn't have to be difficult. Here are some tasty and simple methods to increase your consumption. Salmon cucumber bites. For a crisp snack, put a fine layer of cream cheese on cucumber slices, then add smoked salmon and a sprinkle of dill. These morsels are not only loaded with omega-3s, but also offer a pleasing crunch. Sardine avocado toast. Don't dismiss it before you try it. Spread mashed avocado on a piece of whole grain toast, place sardine fillets on top, and add a splash of lemon juice. This pairing gives you a dual portion of healthy fats and an explosion of taste. Tuna stuffed bell peppers. Combine canned tuna with Greek yogurt, capers, and herbs, and then fill halved bell peppers with the mixture. This vibrant snack is simple to make and gives you a protein kick alongside your omega-3s. Mackerel lettuce wraps. For a meal that is both light and wholesome, place mackerel fillets inside large lettuce leaves. Include shredded carrots and a light vinaigrette dressing. These wraps are a delightful way to consume omega-3 rich seafood without the denseness of bread. Moving from the ocean's offerings of omega-3 rich fish, we now focus on a small fruit that has been generating significant excitement in the health community. Blueberries, which were once mostly found in muffins and pies, have now been recognized as a formidable ally in the pursuit of cellular renewal and extended life. A strong immune system not only defends against external infections, but also protects us from cancer by patrolling the body, identifying abnormal cancer cells, and eliminating them. These modest little berries have a long standing place in North American history, valued by indigenous communities for both their nutritional content and healing qualities. However, it was not until the end of the 20th century that scientists started to realize the full scope of their health advantages. As the research advanced, blueberries swiftly secured their position among superfoods, their demand soaring within health focused groups. What makes blueberries special is their distinct combination of antioxidants, especially a category called anthocyanins. These compounds are what give blueberries their signature blue hue and are credited with many of their health enhancing properties. Regarding stem cell health, these antioxidants have a critical function in safeguarding these vital cells against oxidative stress, which is a key contributor to cellular aging and breakdown. This demonstrates that consuming blueberries is beneficial for reducing inflammation, strengthening immunity, improving metabolism, and helping with weight loss. Yet, the advantages of blueberries are not just about protection. New research has revealed an amazing capacity of blueberry extracts to effectively salvage aging stem cells and bring back their functionality. A study that appeared in the journal Oxidative Medicine and Cellular Longevity reported that extracts from blueberries could promote the growth of human adult bone marrow stem cells. This suggests that eating blueberries could not only shield your current stem cells, but also foster the creation of new ones. Furthermore, it has been demonstrated that blueberries positively influence gene expression associated with stem cell function. This indicates that these small berries might affect our cellular health at the very core, possibly decelerating the aging process and boosting the body's inherent regenerative abilities. Now, you might be considering how to include more blueberries in your meals, aside from eating them by the handful. Here are some inventive and appetizing methods to consume these cellular regenerators. Blueberry almond energy bars. To create a sweet and zesty snack that powers your day, blend dried blueberries with almonds, dates, and a little honey, then press the mixture into a pan and chill until solid before cutting into bars. These bars are not just tasty, they also offer a lasting energy boost, making them ideal for a mid-morning or afternoon snack. Blueberry chia pudding. For a creamy pudding that is both nourishing and satisfying, perfect for a midday indulgence, mix chia seeds with almond milk and a handful of fresh blueberries, then let it sit in the refrigerator overnight. The mix of chia seeds and blueberries provides a potent combination of antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids, which is beneficial for both brain and cellular health. Frozen yogurt blueberry bites. Coat fresh blueberries in Greek yogurt, arrange them on a baking sheet, and freeze until they are hard. These cool, small snacks are ideal for hot weather and are rich in antioxidants. They also serve as an excellent method to appease a sweet tooth without choosing unhealthier foods. Baked blueberry oat crumble cups. In muffin tins, layer fresh blueberries with a blend of oats, almond flour, and a bit of maple syrup, then bake until they are golden. These miniature crumbles are a tasty and wholesome snack that feels like a rich dessert. The oats supply fiber and sustained energy, while the blueberries contribute their cell-boosting advantages. A meta-analysis of 57 studies on dietary vitamin C and cancer, as highlighted in a recent research study, showed an association with a reduced occurrence of several cancers, including bladder, breast, cervical, endometrial, esophageal, stomach, brain, lung, pancreatic, prostate, and kidney cancer. In today's video, with insights from Dr. Lee, we will reveal the strength of 7 snacks that can starve cancer and help burn fat. As we get older, the likelihood of developing cancer rises, which makes our food choices exceptionally important in combating the disease. Suboptimal dietary habits can also lead to the accumulation of excess fat in various areas of the body, making us vulnerable to a host of other health problems. These snacks not only fortify your body's defenses, but also take an active role in fighting cancer cells, presenting a preventative strategy for preserving health and vitality. Come with us as we delve into well-being while facing the challenge of cancer. It's crucial to state before we proceed that no individual food can offer protection against cancer on its own. Nonetheless, research indicates that a diet abundant in a wide range of vegetables, fruits, whole grains, beans, and other plant based foods contributes to a lower risk for numerous types of cancer. In controlled laboratory experiments, many specific minerals, vitamins, and phytochemicals show anti cancer properties. By including a greater number of cancer fighting foods in your diet, you can aid in diminishing your risk of developing cancer. This information is intended for educational purposes only and should not be used as a replacement for expert medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek guidance from a qualified healthcare professional regarding any questions about your health or a medical issue. The most remarkable aspect is that one can eat in a way that reverses metabolism. There are certain foods that can stimulate our beneficial brown fat, which can in turn combat excess body fat through a mechanism known as thermogenesis. Dr. Lee is a firm believer in customizing our diet and eating to overcome disease. In his lectures and interviews, he has consistently pointed out several ingredients that can help starve cancer and burn fat. Number one, pumpkin. Pumpkin is among the foods endorsed by Dr. Lee. While not typically a snack, it has been the vibrant orange icon of autumn for a long time and is useful for more than just carving spooky faces at Halloween. Scientific studies show that this squash possesses powerful anti cancer capabilities and is filled with minerals that reinforce the immune system. Consuming pumpkin is a flavorful way to supplement your diet with additional protection. Dr. Lee loves pumpkin partly because it's an excellent provider of dietary fiber, with a single cup containing 6.7 grams. He states that the fiber in pumpkin supports better metabolism, promotes gut health, and strengthens the immune system. A key defense mechanism of pumpkin against cancer, however, is beta carotene. This strong antioxidant is converted into vitamin A in the body, which is vital for maintaining normal cell growth and function. Beta carotene counteracts free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cells and foster the growth of cancer cells. Research has also shown a link between a diet rich in beta carotene and a reduced risk of certain cancers, such as those of the stomach, throat, and breast. Imagine your immune system as a troop of valiant pumpkin knights, each wielding a radiant beta carotene sword. By incorporating pumpkin into your meals, you are effectively equipping this internal defense force with the means to fend off dangers. Pumpkin offers even more benefits. Its small seeds are nutritional dynamos, packed with zinc, a mineral crucial for proper cell development and growth. Furthermore, pumpkins contain zeaxanthin and lutein. These bioactives have been demonstrated to be beneficial for vision in aging individuals and to help prevent vision decline from age related macular degeneration. So, if you know someone who is getting older and wishes to safeguard their eyesight, these carotenoids have also been found to enhance metabolism, improve gut and immune system health, and boost circulation. There are many valid reasons to appreciate pumpkin. Lutein and zeaxanthin, bioactives known to support eye health, are also present inside the pumpkin. Eating pumpkin seeds may also decrease your risk of certain malignancies, including colon and prostate cancer. These seeds can additionally assist in regulating your metabolism and burning away extra fat. The taste of pumpkin flesh can be hard and similar to bland zucchini. Fortunately, it doesn't have to be tasteless or boring. Here are some tasty and simple pumpkin based snacks to include in your cancer prevention toolkit. Roasted pumpkin cubes. Toss pumpkin pieces with olive oil, herbs, and spices, and then roast them to create a healthy and fulfilling snack. These golden pieces can be eaten by themselves, mixed into salads for some sweetness, or pureed into creamy soups. Pumpkin spice energy bites. Mix pumpkin puree with rolled oats, nuts, seeds, and a little cinnamon to create a powerful snack that controls cravings and keeps you full of energy.